Hey friends, good morning. This is a friendly reminder. Well, I have this an idea na nakita ko the some of people doing this na nakita kong content creators from other countries that they starting to make this kind of raw videos na in 60 seconds they will make an everyday diary through social media, through online. So I guess this is one way of also to parang therapy for me to express myself kahit 1 minute lang every day. Wala, I just wanna be raw. So I don't wanna edit this. I don't wanna, wala, I just being me. That's it. Kung ano lang tawatakbo sa isip ko. As of now, wala pa ako masyadong maisip. So I hope you will join me with this journey na gagawin ko every day. I will try to upload every day a minute for this. So yun lang. Thank you. See you tomorrow.